Welcome back to another trading analysis video. It is now 7:50 p.m. here in Perth, which is about 10 minutes towards the New York session open. So we're in a good time to start analyzing the market and just seeing where the price will end up, or predicted based on what's happened in the Tokyo and London sessions. So as usual, what I do here is I'll leave these things up as per an analysis of Tokyo, just to see how we went and what we got wrong, what we got right, and so on. And then we adjust it accordingly during this video for our New York session, and that's where we'll enter trades if they're confluent with our 4-hour and our daily charts. Daily and 4-hour have been analyzed on Monday morning's video, which you'll find on the channel. So if you want to have a look at that, if you want to know what those are, have a look there. But I'll only go quickly through the 1 hour and half an hour charts, mainly just the 1 hour, just as an update, because you don't really need to update the 4-hour and 1 hour or the daily much. Those tend to just go as they do their course, obviously. So straight into it, Aussie yen. Now we predicted this during the Tokyo session that this was in an uptrend. There was a bit of a pullback that was very strong actually, but it didn't actually break market structure. As you can see here, the higher low has not been broken. So we still consider this as a pullback, not a change of direction. So this, we'll adjust this accordingly. This is now here. It is still considered pullback zone, and this is still the uptrend zone. And that is confluent with our 4-hour and daily as shown previously. I did not do any trades here. Actually, I did do a trade here. I actually did a trade on one of these signals, and it unfortunately it went to the buy, so I got stopped out here. But this would have been a great indicator right here. See how it came down, and then the next bar was a next candle was a completely engulfing candle passing the opening of that previous trigger candle. That would have been a great place to go in, but saying that, it hasn't really moved from there. So either way, this whole pair here looks like it's consolidating within this channel here. So maybe it's not worth trading this one today. Let's have a quick look at the British pound, see if we have anything else there. British pound yen. So British pound yen, it's definitely going down as we predicted. And look at that, straight from where we are, it did a little up and then went straight down. That would have been a really good buy-in right there. It's a short right there. What did I go short with? I went short with the Aussie dollar. Okay, so we'll go to that in a moment. So yeah, but it took us back to where we are here. So if anything, we're almost very close to where we were. So definitely this is still in a short trend. So we are still in a downtrend for the British yen. And does that confluence with our 4-hour and daily? Definitely does. So if there's any signals for going short on this pair, definitely go in for it. I'll be waiting for that as well. Oh, my alarm turned off. So British pound, so this is how I do here with my alarm settings. So I usually have one for each one. It is active. Oh, it's active on the half an hour. My bad. Okay, yeah. So as you see here on the half an hour, when it hits 90 RSI, it will signal me to look at the charts. That's when I start looking. I'll do another analyze before I enter the trade in again. Yeah, that's my method there. If you guys want me to do a method where I go fully in depth with my entries and exits, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll just keep continuing to do these analysis videos, because they seem to be more insightful for the majority. Now, moving along here, I have entered a trade into the Aussie dollar, as you guys have noticed. We are going in a downtrend. So there's a bit of a pullback today during the Tokyo session, but this would have been a great signal here to go down to enter the trade. See, I should have really entered here, but I entered here. Now, why did I do that? I was anticipating that this would be the highest point here, where I entered the 90 RSI. So I entered there, hoping it will go down, but it actually went further. It went further, but it didn't touch my stop loss because I am a beginner trader, so my stop loss is about 50 to 4, so 5 to 4. Not direct 1 to 1, it's 5 to 4. Just, you know, add a tiny bit into my favor, which is about 20% into my favor, but it's a good beginner place. It gives you a lot of room for error, especially when I'm not great with entries. So I'm good with, I'll say I'm okay with predicting the market direction, but my entries are not on point yet. I still probably need to tweak it a bit, but yeah, as you see here, this is a very good entry point. But yeah, this is all hindsight stuff, so it's not really really insightful for anyone. So that's what I should and shouldn't. That's what a lot of traders do anyway. So, but yeah, anyway. So new trend, definitely in a downtrend. Still, so wait for signals going down, and this is still the pullback zone. Okay. And now we have the move on to the NAS. This is where we do enter these trades. So we don't enter these during the day, even though it actually went down. So a lot of things went down, which is very good, including the Japan Australian yen that went down. So a lot of everything went down. I wonder if that has anything to do with correlations with my pairs. Might have to look into that. But yeah, on the 1 hour chart, definitely in a downtrend. Downtrend here. And lastly, the gold USD. We are in a pullback. 100% we're in a pullback because this is a very strong downtrend pair at the moment. It may be consolidating a bit like it does here, but we're definitely in a downtrend because as you see on the 4 hour chart, downtrend, very strong downtrend, and the daily chart, downtrend. Okay, so downtrend, everything's in downtrend. So quick summary, everything is in downtrend with these 5 pairs anyway. So yeah, that's the analysis today. Oh, except this one, but I'm not going to trade this at all. I am not going to trade this just because the Aussie, I think something's going on with the Aussie. I don't really look at the economical news, which I usually should. I do have a Twitter notification that lets me know about all the news that comes out. So it does pop on my phone, the headlines, just to give me an idea or a perspective, but I don't really trade based off on it unless it's like a big a rate increase, height, whatever, you know, so and so on. But yeah, that's my analysis for today. Hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, if you have any tips as well, anything you can add to this video, happy, any feedback, anything like that, just drop it in the comments for me. It improves me, it improves you, it improves everyone. Well, hopefully it does anyway. Last thing I want to do is spread misinformation or bad information out. So yeah, it's a trading community. Let's help each other, and yeah, have a good day guys, and happy trading. Thanks for watching.